Hello, welcome back to my channel, Dina's Nail Art. Today I'm doing an unboxing by Sweet and Sour Lacquer. I super love the tape that she's using with the sugar skulls. And without wasting any time, let's go on ahead and pull out all these beauties. What I ended up getting was a fun collection, which Darlene's birthday, Darlene the maker of Sweet and Sour Lacquer's birthday is in September, as well as mine. So she released fun. And I'm a Jewel, and the I'm a Jewel is based on gemstone colors for our birthday month. Anyway, I also did get some sugar scrub and a black and white cream polish. And here we go. They weren't separated, so I'm just pulling one at a time so we can take a look at them. And this one is Adventurous Appetite, and it is a gloriously gorgeous green. So pretty. And next up here is a really brilliant blue called Spontaneous Sapphire. And that is my birthstone. I'm not sure if Darlene's a Libra or not, but Sapphire is for Virgo, and that's the first half of September. And next up we have Chocolate Thunder. My husband made a joke, so we'll just move on past it. This one was Tenacious Tanzanite, and it is such a beautiful purple. This is an acetone additive, and the flavor is pink grapefruit. Oh my gosh, I think I need to get my glasses out. It's because old age is setting in and I'm refusing to accept it. Anyways, next up we have Radiant Ruby, and then we're comparing Chocolate Thunder to Radiant Ruby. So you can see one really is a pink and one is more red than the other. This, of course, is Black Velvet. And I did get the white cream as well. Next up, though, we have Slow. And it looks really beautiful. It looks like a glitter paradise. And if you don't love taking off glitters, just wear a latex base so you can easily get it off. That's what I do, and that way I get to enjoy wearing glitters and not fight with getting them off. Her cream white is called White Silk, and I am newly an ambassador for Sweet and Sour Lacquer. So I will put my code here in the video as well as down below. Save 10% with Sweet D10. Next up, we have Mother of All Messes, which is super pretty to me. It doesn't look like a mess at all. And last but not least is such a pretty baby pink called That's Mom's Dress. Almost said That's a Mom Dress. I cannot wait to wear these, and I hope you enjoyed my super quick unboxing. I like to watch mine kind of short and sweet, so I try not to take too long. I did also get a coconut and blue agave emulsified sugar and salt scrub, which I really love using when I do swatching. And I also have got, thank you to Darlene for popping in this cuticle oil, aloe water, and sea kelp. Can't wait to use it. Thank you so much. I look forward to wearing these. And please use my code to save 10% off at Sweet and Sour Lacquer. Thanks as always for watching. Bye for now.